I'm just sending this. You better to take a look what I'm saying. Oh, 4 years ago, you're the one who bully Mrs. Annie Gill, the mother of David Gill. I will take a read. I do not want to insult. I'll read in his Facebook post. I never comment. Oh, look. Patunay na bobo ang mga dilawan. Hi, Mrs. Annie. Hi, Annie Gill. Ganito ka ba bobo kayong dilawan? Patunayan nyo lang mabababang antas lang sa utak nyo. Hawak ko ang face mask at kapatid ko. Tinanggal lang ang picture lol sa loob ng Manila Bay. Hindi mo pwede tanggalin ang face mask. Ganon-ganon lang. Dahil huhulihin ka. Is this nice to say those what an insult to the mother of David Gill? You know, Sangkay Janjan, you're the one you're using Cedric Mariano to troll the mother of David Gill last 4 years ago. Cedric Mariano was not involved. Who's the involved there? It was you, Sangkay. Read this, Sangkay Janjan. You know, everyone are non-partisan. Sangkay Janjan, such as Cedric Mariano, Miggy Labitag. Everyone are non-partisan. The mother of David Gill, Mrs. Annie Gill, is a non-partisan. And you're the one who bully Mrs. Annie Gill in Facebook. That what you're saying, that was during the time of pandemic. I did not comment there because, you know, Sangkay Janjan, that is your fault. You are the worst than Paulo Cruzada, Jordan Bunagan, Gene Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Romeo TV Vlog, and Nino Bersaga. You're the one who were worse. You know, I am saying to you, Sangkay Janjan, with all kind of respect what you were saying, you're the one you're the one who's a bully. Matatabang utak mo, Sangkay Janjan. Like I said to you, what you gonna explain that the mother of David Gill is idiot or call it bobo? Oh, ikaw ang bobo, Sangkay. You're an idiot. You know what I'm saying, Sangkay Janjan. You're just like Larry Gadon. Your influence is really, I don't know what you're talking about, what you're saying. You know, Sangkay Janjan, that is your responsibility. That is your consequence. First of all, Sangkay Janjan, you bully Banat Bay last 2 years ago before the election in 2022 while Banat Bay endorsed Isko Moreno. And then after that, you bully my fellow Filipinos who were Duterte supporters. This is your fault, Sangkay Janjan. And first of all, Sangkay, why did you do that to Mrs. Annie Gill? She's non-partisan. If you bully David Gill, even his family members, I explained it to Mr. Dennis Gill that he said to me that they mistakenly that they filed me a cases against me. I explained to Mr. Dennis Gill, the father of David Gill. I talked to him about him personally, that who involved of who post cyberbullying to mother of David Gill, Mrs. Annie Gill. I say to Mr. Dennis Gill, it's Sangkay Janjan. That was 4 years ago. 4 years ago or 3 years ago, it was Sangkay Janjan. Oh, that is you, Sangkay. If I'm say to you, Sangkay Janjan, if Mrs. Annie Gill had filed the cases against you, if she filed the cases against you in the court, oh, eh, you will get cyber libel. That is defamation, Sangkay Janjan. You do not know what is defamation. You're just slandering Mrs. Annie Gill that you're calling her Dilawan. You slander her name. You slander their reputation, even the family members of David Gill. That is your fault, Sangkay. What if I say to you, Sangkay Janjan, if you slander the family members of Jens Manaid, even his brother, Kuya Allen Manaid, even that sister of Jens Manaid, even the father of Jens Manaid, named Jaime Manaid. I know Jaime Manaid, that was Jens' dad, right? That was his dad. Allen Manaid, that was his brother. If you slander Jens Manaid's family members, even Jens and even his brother, Allen Manaid, if you slander them, Sangkay Janjan, I will shoot you a pellet gun, Sangkay Janjan, into your eye. I will borrow the pellet gun from Kiko Bersaga. I will shoot you a pellet gun into your eye, Sangkay. Napakawalang yamo, Sangkay. You know, you are really dumb. You are really pathetic. Ikaw ang gago, Sangkay. You know, I never want to say to you, Sangkay Janjan. I say to you, Sangkay, better luck this time. If you never delete that post that you were saying to mother of David Gill, he will sue against you. First of all, Sangkay Janjan, you're the one who bully Mang Rodelio Daguman. You're the one who bully anyone, even Teacher Jessa Fernandez, Teacher Ruti Barrientos. You know, Sangkay, this is your fault. This is what you're saying. This is your fault. Kasalanan mo yan, Sangkay. I'm not just telling you all the lies that what you're saying. You're a liar. You and Bongbong Marcos are liar. Sinungaling kayo, Sangkay. You know, sinungaling ka, Sangkay Janjan. That is your fault. That is your consequence. Take a look, Sangkay Janjan. I know you're an ally with Teacher Evelyn Caja. I know you're an ally of Teacher May Tiburcio. And even you're an ally of Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. I know you're an ally with Ate Dina Guillermo. I know you're an ally of Ate Mel Canete. It is what you like. You're bullying a non-partisan. Mrs. Annie Gill is non-partisan, Sangkay Janjan. She's non-partisan. If I'm say to you, Sangkay Janjan, you are a bully. Yesterday, I talked with Banateros, one of my fellow Duterte supporters in TikTok Live who were Duterte bloggers. I talked with my Duterte bloggers about the behavior of Sangkay Janjan. Can't you believe this Sangkay Janjan is telling a bunch of lie? You say, Mrs. Annie Gill, she is an idiot. That means in Tagalog, ganito ka ba ang kabobo?